Alright, watch closely. We're going to pour egg into eggplant. And the result is unbelievably delicious. We're not frying it or making a salad. It's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, sweet and sour. My two sons clean the plate every single time. Let's see how this transformation is done. First, prepare a round eggplant. Remove the top. Peel off the skin and dice it into small cubes like this. Then add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of white vinegar. Pour in enough water to cover the eggplant. Then mix it evenly. Let the eggplant soak in the water for 10 minutes. This prevents the eggplant from oxidizing and turning black. Set it aside for later. Next, crack 2 eggs into an empty bowl, beat them well. Whisk the whites and yolks until they are fully combined. Whisk into a smooth egg mixture. After the eggplant has soaked, squeeze out the excess water. Then pour the egg mixture directly in and mix well. Make sure every piece of eggplant is coated with a thin layer of egg. Next, add 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch. Use your hands to toss and mix evenly. Ensure every piece of eggplant is coated with powder. It should look dry on the outside, and each piece should be separate. Now, heat the oil until it's very hot. Pour in the eggplant. Don't touch it right after you put it in. Let it have time to set. Dear friends, I've already shared over 1,000 home-style cooking tutorials, and I still haven't gotten a little red heart from you. For today's video, please do me the favor of tapping it once. Thank you all for your hard work. Fry for 3 minutes. Fry the eggplant until it's golden and crispy. Drain the oil and remove. In hot oil, add the vermicelli noodles. In the high-temperature oil, the vermicelli will instantly puff up and become crispy. Remove and crush into smaller pieces for later. In a bowl, add sugar, water, and soy sauce for color. The sauce is now ready. In another pan, pour in the prepared sauce. Cook the sauce until it has a caramel color. Then add the fried eggplant. Quickly stir-fry to mix well. Make sure every piece of eggplant is coated in the sauce. Before serving, pour it over the fried vermicelli. Toss it up and down to mix and it's ready to plate. And there you have it, a crispy and crunchy snowflake eggplant.